What are you going to do with that big knife?
Oh, dude.
What else would you do with that big knife?
Stay tuned.
Wait till you see the drink we make.
Yeah, it's the drink. Welcome to Common Cocktails. Danny and Derek are going to make for you. What the hell? Oh, the Sidecar. It's a cognac
The Sidecar.
drink.
Yeah.
We don't do a lot of cognac drinks.
Classic.
It's a classic.
It's because our cognac's so small.
I know. It's only a sample. Oh, actually, it is. It says sample, not for resale. I don't have a lot of cognac, and I feel like there's enough in here that I should, but I can't find it. So that's it.
One day we're going to do a show on it, but then Ian drank it all, so.
I would try to get
We're going to have to wait till next month to do that.
Yeah.
That's right.
I'd like to get somebody to sponsor that, but then I'd have to have more viewers, and it's just a lot of work. So,
It's a lot.
okay, it's actually cheaper just to buy it myself.
Yeah.
Then there was a point where I gave a shit, and I'm like 0 fucks deep. So like, it's like, you know what? I could get sponsorship, but then I gotta talk to people and try and negotiate it, or I could just go to the store and buy it for like $39.99 and call
That
it.
did not work at
Wow.
all. Just,
Dude.
you know.
Yeah, just cut into it, man. We're gonna eat it anyway. You're making like a weird orange vagina out of it, though.
Exactly. I knew we were on the same wavelength.
You're in the slit. Can you get enough juice out of that slit?
I guess it's gonna work.
You gotta really
That's it.
you gotta really oh,
Boom.
look at that.
Look at
Look
that.
That is a whap right there.
That
Boom.
Or a wow. It's a
Wow.
wet ass orange.
Yeah.
It's a wet ass
The wall.
orange. Boy, I feel dirty. We haven't made it yet.
I know.
All right. So the recipe is going to be, I don't know if I said what the recipe was last time in the revolver, but the Sidecar is an ounce and a half of cognac, 3/4 ounce of orange liqueur, 3/4 ounce of lemon juice, and an orange twist. Then we also sugar rimmed it because it's optional, and I've made a Sidecar enough times, never doing so, that I feel like now I want to.
I mean,
Are we
tonight
making two? What the hell's going on here?
we rimmed
That's a
it,
good question. I think he
and
probably
we have
grabbed the
garnish.
last-
Yeah, I know.
Like
this is
it's yeah.
weird. I've done.
Like I don't even know where the fuck I am.
It's the end of the world.
Yeah. Holy
As we know
shit.
it.
What you know what it is?
I feel fine.
I feel like here's the deal. I feel like I can digest the idea of a garnish when I only have like 2 other ingredients.
Okay.
And if I took every drink we're doing right now, I could fit them on not even one of the lines of the bar. So it's like not that hard. I might as well put a little work into something. I mean, I'm just sitting here and he's doing it anyway.
Yeah,
so
trust me, that's
Do
what I
garnishes
say.
all the time, right?
Right? Like I mean,
it's just
I don't
simple.
care.
It's simple. Just stand there. You get drinks served to you. You drink
What is it
them.
with every container? Oh, there we go. Because that did not squeeze so hard.
Shit,
Yeah,
I
you're
barely
fine.
talk during all this. I just need a drink.
That's right.
Yeah.
You're just basically like
I'm
off to the
silent.
side.
Yes.
But
I'm
you're
sure.
not. Yeah.
And we're using the
Why am I
best
in the middle?
curacao.
Yes.
Also.
So you don't have to make it. Yes. This is not only is this Ian's favorite and the bar's favorite here,
This
the
is
bar
really
being
good.
my basement.
It's so good.
It's good. And I don't, we have, so
I've said a number of times that I've just bought a bottle of that and nursed on it
this
for a day.
this was the other
That was
alternative, right?
No.
So this is like, what does this cost? You must know.
It's like 25 bucks, 24 bucks. Yeah.
$25. This is like $5.99, not on sale.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like this, right? Like maybe that's 10 because it's bigger. But in a plastic bottle,
Yeah.
sugar water with some citrus. That's actually made to be like a
Yeah,
product.
but that one's for the pool when there's a bunch of people.
Right. This is
Yeah.
cool stuff. If you're making drinks with a whole bunch
This
of
is
people,
for when people come over.
Right. I have different levels. Like sometimes I pull out like the Citron, and then there's those people that are really big on Grand Marnier. So like,
That's just expensive.
it is.
Grand Marnier is more expensive than a Parasite.
It is.
So people like Grand Marnier, so it's good to have on hand.
Yeah.
You don't have to use it yourself. You can use the tasty stuff.
Most of the time it's for margaritas. Like people like Grand Marnier and margaritas. Like I'm like, but there's so many different orange liqueur options. And like, yeah, can I have Grand Marnier? I'm like, fuck, it's all you ever drink is the same thing. Try something different.
Or Cointreau. Cointreau's expensive.
Yes.
Yeah, that's the other one.
Sugar. We'll throw it here so I can accidentally hit it and it'll fly everywhere. Can everybody see that? Yeah, I love how he
Yeah.
pours it right so that like.
Oh, it's right off the.
Yeah, he's lacking in training.
It's been a couple months.
It is. It's been
We'll have to review the
a
procedures.
quarter
with
of a year. That's right.
Quarter
Since
of a
I-
year.
And then Dan was like, "You pretty much weren't here at all last year."
him. I know.
You're like,
What was that?
What was that?
what was that?
No, it was a shaker.
It was a sugar.
Oh, with stuff in it?
Yep. There's
Oh.
ice behind there somewhere.
Okay. Well, stuff.
We're out of practice. I'm sorry.
The ice will. That's not
God damn
practice.
it.
You're just a big dude and you move
Yeah.
shovels like this.
I'm bigger than last
Put it
time, I
where
think.
he could hit it.
Yeah,
Yeah. Don't put it where you can hit it.
that's the practice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No fucking around with a knife tonight.
My turn.
Yeah.
That's a fucking sharp knife.
I know, it's awesome.
Whoa. Dude!
I'll
Right?
get you my knife, Ian.
What's that?
I'll go get you.
Oh,
my
did
knife.
have you seen her knife?
I don't think I.
You guys
maybe
were
I
here.
did. I think you mentioned it. I don't know
Interesting.
if I saw it.
I'll show you. You guys.
I think you mentioned it last time, like we played, whatever was here. Yeah.
It's all right.
It is.
All right.
It's got a little Detroit Athletic Club to it,
Yeah.
which I'm not a fan of.
See?
That's
Lots of
my kind
orange.
of knife.
No, that's a knife.
Shit. It's just a.
It's a cleaver.
It's a little cleaver.
Yeah, it was to cut Kev dog food.
Yeah, we bought it just in time for our dog to die, and then now we don't use it. But
It's heavy. It's like a good 2-3 pounds.
it's a 3-pound knife.
Could use that.
Cut the orange in half.
And we'll cut it.
Do it. There. You ready?
No!
No.
He's got a swinging a 3-pound knife towards me.
I'm gonna do a
We're over
short
here.
chop.
You ready?
I'm gonna miss. You ready?
Oh, yeah, that's not going to work.
Oh!
Did it cut it?
Oh yeah.
It cut it and it left a stain.
Why wouldn't it? All I have to do is nick it and it would explode. All
This one's got like fur on it and shit. You have to wash it off.
right. I've always wanted to do that. That was good. Thanks.
Shit.
That was
That was enjoyable.
See, that's the thing about this show. I never know what's gonna happen.
Oh, didn't know that was gonna happen, but
You brought that knife down to us and you didn't know that something like that was
I
going to
mean,
happen?
How do you not like?
I don't know if that's our fault or yours.
How do you not cut something in half?
I know, right?
Well, when it's summertime,
else you
I was
got
gonna
down
get a
here?
watermelon, and then I figure like if you hit that with a watermelon's just gonna fucking explode. But that's nonsense. That's
No, we gotta
plastic.
throw it up in the air.
Oh, yeah. Oh, I
You
bet-
think you can cut ice? Jesus
It's like,
Christ!
No.
I think you're getting it to bend.
You're
Yeah.
trying to play Fruit Ninja. or
Yeah,
something.
put that
I
back.
just did.
What
Did you
else?
see
Put
it?
it back.
What
Put
was
it back.
that is true. That was a Fruit Ninja move. Drawing from the old school.
Shit.
Anyway, we were making a drink. What do you guys think? You don't even remember at this point.
It has, like I was saying, I
it's
think
all
right
right,
there,
so-
it has a little Detroit Athletic Club like aftertaste to it, right?
It does. It's the lemon.
It's
fucking
not
lemon.
It's not like as bad as the Detroit.
No,
Athletic
that's
Club.
bad.
This is not bad, but it has that little
Well, I don't understand. Like, it's not like you can screw this up.
that little bile,
Yeah, it's
Right.
Lemon
which
for some
I know
reason
sounds
does
gross, but I like bitter, sour.
I don't remember what's in the. Was it orange juice as well? It's
I think
something
it
that
was some
Detroit
pee and some
Athletics.
spit.
Oh, there was
Something
like
that
the
was
orange
gross.
juice. I think it was orange juice and it just not go.
When you
well.
bring orange juice and lemon together, it goes. It can be good, and then it goes real bad real fast.
Yeah.
Like there's a balance. I don't know what it is. I know this. This is a classic drink. This
It's
is
a classic drink. It's
fucking
not that
recipe.
good.
I just
It's not
don't.
that bad. I mean,
It's not.
Maybe
nah.
this is why I don't like cognac because it's an okay drink, but it does have.
cognac's not bad on its own.
I couldn't taste really any like. I could taste like orange.
Yeah, orange is there. Yeah.
But-
Orange with like a bite.
Yeah, the lemon. It's just.
No, it's just there's.
Are you validating to make sure that's not shitty?
No, that's
No,
good.
I just want to. Okay, I guess I get some
You
of that
wanted to
now.
see what it tastes like.
Yeah,
So
it's just not like that strong.
Yeah.
there's different cognac recipes. If you guys have a cognac recipe that you think is better than this one, then write it below. I probably won't make it because I'll be afraid, but at least I can see.
We'll try it.
Yeah, I guess
We'll try anything.
or something
Just
better.
right.
Yeah. Maybe something better. So there is your drink, your knife attack, all that. It's really sticky right here.
I try to wipe it out.
Yeah,
We did just put an orange down there.
Yeah.
that's true. So orange has a lot of sugar. That's good. Now, go make yourself a drink. Sidebar, more videos down below is a Awesome Drinks Bartender Starter Kit at awesomedrinks.com. Obviously, where else would you get it? That's it. We'll teach you how to drink.